In this video, I'll show you how to back up your data on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should be similar on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to back up your data, all you have to do is simply access the settings. Now find the settings icon either on the home screen or the app drawer and tap on it to open settings. And then within the settings, all you have to do is simply scroll down and find the Google option. So from here, simply tap on it and then give it a few seconds. And then from the options that appear, all you have to do is simply tap on Manage Backup. And then now you should see all your backup details or backup information. Now you can also see what will be backup. So it will back up your apps, photos, SMS, call history, device storage, and other information. Now if you'd like to back up your device, all you have to do is simply select Backup Now, and then your device will start backing up your data. So it might take a while, so you just leave your phone for the backup to continue. So that's basically it on how to back up your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.